Hey guys, welcome to another video. So here we back again doing some more upgrades or fixes to the Volkswagen Jetta, and as we can see it's 40 degrees outside and my heat is broken. As can you hear that noise? So after doing some research online, this error, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 does not work, but 4 works, which is heading towards a bad blower motor resistor, which is this part right here, and also the blower motor might be going bad as well. As you can see, the squeak when you wind down, that means the blower motor is going bad as well. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. So if you're having the same issue right now where 1 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work as well, but only 4 work, that's a common heading towards your blower motor resistor, which is directly under the leg of the passenger seat. So I'm going to show you how to actually replace that and get your car back up towards the winter, because as you can see it's 40 degrees outside and it's very cold. So yeah. So guys, here we are. This is the new blower motor resistor I'm going to get in, and this is a blower motor I got from a junkyard. The new blower motor costs like around $90. I got this one for like $25 at my local pull apart. So I'm gonna see if that helps and also try it out. The blower motor works, but it just squeaks, so I'm definitely gonna change those. So getting under here, basically it's gonna be, get under here is gonna be some flat end screws that's gonna hold this right here. It's gonna be under here, so I'm gonna unscrew this. So okay, so I got my screwdriver now. I'm gonna come and get these screws right. Hope you guys can see. This is a screw right here. Across. Hopefully we can get this out. Okay guys, we got them out. This is what they look like. It's just some clips with a flat end head. So you get this right in here like this, and you're gonna now pull this out. Get the sides and just pull it out slightly. And now we have access to both the blower motor resistor, which is right here, and then the blower motor. I'm gonna show you how to remove both of those. Okay, so this one, you wanna get your hand on this clip. There's 2 clips right here, on this side and also the other side as well, right here. So now you just wanna grab it and just try to wiggle it out, or you could just remove the blower motor first from this area right here. Guys, so we got this out. I just hooked this up from this area. Now we have access to the blower motor resistor. This is the resistor. I'm not sure what exactly wrong, if I missed anything burned or anything, but I'm going to replace it because, as you can see, my 1, 2 and 3 did not work. So yeah, now I'm going to try to disconnect the blower motor. Now this is kind of technical to do. So you want to remove the clip right here, and then that's out. Then you want to come in here and try to turn this around, held by some clips right here. Pry back on the clip and then try to turn around, and then it should just fall out. Now be aware, there might be some dirt or stuff at the back over here, so we'll like slowly just drop it down, turn it around. You gotta wiggle it out. Now I just wanna glide it out somehow in a technical way. Okay guys, so we got a blower motor out, and it's the old one. I'm not too sure exactly. There were some leaves and stuff in here, so maybe that's why it caused the squeaking, but we're gonna replace it anyway. So in the new one I got from a junkyard, I'm gonna try and see if it works. So key on, see if it works. Got a new one from the junkyard and trying to see if it works. So I got my keys on over here. I'm gonna turn the fan on and see what does that do. Keys on and then turn on. Okay, so it works. That's good. Now I'm gonna put it back in. Now that we tested our blower motor, we also want to test our resistor. See if it works as well. So this is the old one. So what you want to do is come in here and then remove these 2 clips down here as well and remove it. Just slide right out, just like that. Yeah, so you got it out. So this is the old one, and you want to replace it with the new one. So rest it right here, one right here. Put it back the same way we got it from. We're gonna put it back exactly how we get it. So this is how we're gonna work. I script it in. Now we're gonna try and see if it both works. Get our key, and then it works. See, it works as one. So now that we know it both works, we want to get it back up in here safely and then put everything back together. Back in here, you can safely say I got it back in. There's a little bit of hassle, but we got it back in. Just need to turn the knobs, get the knobs all in the right place, and then you want to connect back our cords. This is our new blow motor resistor. Get this back into the slot. It's right. Yeah, blow motor back resistor plugged in right here. Then we get this back plugged in. Cause slabs line up. Line up. Now before we put back anything up, you want to also check connections are okay. Plug the key back in. It works free. So all the settings work, as you can see. And our heat works well. So that's good. Now I just want to get back this cover back up in here. Right like that. So now we got our cover back on, goes back in place. This one goes right here. Clean my hand. As I was showing you before, we're back in our car. It's 40 degrees. And it works very well. And it's fixed. So if you guys have this problem, just change your blow motor resistor.